Hey everyone, Joe here. Welcome back or welcome to the channel. And today I am out in the garden here, and we're in zone 7A or B. I don't know, they keep changing it. But we've had, like everywhere, I guess it's not uncommon. The weather's been crazy. It's been like a roller coaster ride of temperatures. Past 2 nights we had 31 degrees, and the plants must be saying WTF, because the temperatures have been absolutely crazy. It's supposed to go into the 60s a couple of days, up to the 80s by Tuesday, and then back down again. So, got to keep on moving along. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the beginnings of a little project that I'm working on. I'm sorry, there's some kind of truck down there doing something. Oh, it's the garbage truck. I'm going to be working on this little project that I want to work along right over here, because I'm not happy with the way it looks under those windows. I want to create, I'm trying to create something that's a little bit more, I don't know, something, not cozy is the wrong word, but something more appealing and something, easier to look at. I found something online that I'm debating on getting right now. I wanted an arbor over the entrance to the pool, but I actually found something that looks like a gazebo arbor. And it's not that expensive, but I have to measure it out to make sure that it works. I think it'll be a beautiful addition to the yard, but we'll see where that goes. Okay, so there's like crazy things going on. There's a helicopter, because we're close to New York, so all the news channels and everything have helicopters going all over the place, and the garbage trucks are out. So I am going to go right into the video. All right, everybody, thanks for dropping by. I hope you stay to the end. So I'm going to start this project today because, see this area in here, it's just, I hate the way it looks, and the patio like bends into this section right here, which is like useless, and then right down in here and underneath the windows is kind of blank looking, and I really don't like the way it looks. So what I wanted to do was make a bed in here. Now I'm not going to pick up these at all. I'm going to put a barrier down, and then I'm going to use plants that have very simple roots, like hostas and things like that, and maybe some coleus or not coleus, I don't know, things that don't have much of a root system at all. And I'm going to make a bed in here. So what I started to do was I used what I had to lay out my thought process. So what I want to do is I had made this little walkway right in here going over to the pool deck area. So I think I'm going to extend it out. You see, I started to lay these out. These are not the right ones. See, there's a little bit different, so I have to go get those. But I wanted to see how it looks. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like maybe, like a little bit of a bend in here. And then all in here, right here, I'm going to make this all dirt. I'm going to make it a bed. I'm going to stop it here because then it leads over to the stairs, and I want to leave this open right here. So I'll end this over here, bring that walk around here. Then this piece right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down like that and extend this bed bigger, just to give it some interest. And what I was really looking at is I really need to add some height. I have a lot of things that are very flat, and it gets boring right in this area. So I need to incorporate some higher things. So like I said, I'm beginning to lay it out right now. What I'm going to need to do is remove what I put here, and then I have to get my cover, the barrier, and I'm going to put that there, and I have to remove these stones in here, because what I'm going to do is see how on the other side of this little shed area, see how I have the stones like over there? So I'm going to continue on this side this way, so just so that it has some balance to it. So I always hesitate because I hate moving rocks around. It's not really comfortable, but whatever, I'm going to get started on that. I began to move out the rocks that were in this section, and I put them in the wheelbarrow for now, and I guess you can see what I did was I removed all these blocks were all along right here. So I took them out, and then I started to bring them along here because I wanted to echo what's going on this side. See, so I have them over there, and then I wanted them over here as well, and then I'm going to continue them out. So that's where I am right now. But before I go further, what I need to do is I need to put the next block in here and then begin to put the barrier down. I went to Home Depot and I got 8 more of these blocks. They are up to $5.97 a piece. Now I need more of those edging blocks, but right now they're 67 cents a piece, and supposedly mid-April they're going to go to 4 for $1. So I'm waiting for that. Alright, so I started putting in the blocks from Home Depot, as you can see, and I don't have enough edging blocks, so I'm just using them as spacers right now, so I can, get this correct. So what I did was I just put a couple of blocks over to the water spigot, so I can get there to turn the hose on without, walking through the dirt and stuff. I'm going to put mulch back in there and more dirt. But that's why I did that in that area. So I think I'm going to end this video right here because it's getting a little long. And we'll pick up very soon with me continuing this. And I'll show you how I'm going to address this side as well. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by. And like always, take care. And I'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.